Okay everybody, welcome to this video. And in this video, I'm going to explain about linear equations. But let's start about reviewing what we did on previous meeting. Okay, do you still remember what we discussed on previous meeting? Yeah, it's about the balance scale. And here is the balance scale. On previous meeting, we tried to make it or to keep it balanced, right? From the left side and the right side. And then here we have a bag that contains some blocks. And we don't know the amount of blocks are inside of the bag. Or we can say that unknown numbers. Okay, when we have unknown numbers, it means we can make, don't forget, we can make algebraic algebraic expression from this situation. And we can make B is a number of blocks inside of a bag. So, on the left side, there will be 3b plus 1 because we have 3 bags plus 1 blocks. And then on the right side, there will be 2b plus 7 because we have 2 bags and 7 blocks. And from this algebraic expression, we can see that we have only one unknown variable. That is only b. So we have only one unknown variables, okay? And we can see here we have the equal sign. Okay, and then one unknown variables plus equal signs, it's mean what we learned today, what we are going to learn today. So that is linear equations. Okay, so linear equation is an equation which shows the equals relationship between number and linear term with one unknown variables and the power of the variables is 1. Okay, here is some example of linear equations. Okay. So we can see here we have 3b plus 1 equals to 2b plus 7. And then 3x plus 4 equals to 42. And then 5p plus 7 equals to 22. So it means on the first equation we have b as the unknown variables. And then for the second one we have x. And then for the third one, we have p. So we only have one unknown variables, and then the power of the variable is only 1. So here is no half quadratic variables. Okay, so we know about linear equations, and now how to solve it, right? So let's think about this, and for me, there will be only 2 ways to solve the to solve the linear expression. First is you have to keep it balanced. And then second, you have to check the solution. Okay, so without any further ado, let's check out how to solve it. Okay, let's start about how to solve the linear equations. And then we have to remember that we have to keep it balanced first and then check for the solution. Okay, but before we start, let's remember about this inverse operation. So we have this inverse operation. If we have addition, the inverse operation is minus or subtraction, and the same. if we have subtraction, the inverse operation is addition. And then if we have times or multiply, the inverse operation is divide or division, and then it will be the same. Okay, so the thing that you have to remember before you solve the linear equations. Okay, let's try this equation first. Okay, we have 3b plus 1 equals to 2b plus 7. Okay, so in case to make it balance, we have to make sure that the variables is on one side and then the others should be numbers. So, or we can say it's constant. But then we have to make it balance first. So here we have 3b and then we have 2b. So we can do operation. For example, we want to make it the variable on the left side. It means here 2b should be gone. Okay, so 2b, the symbols or the number sign is positive or plus. So the inverse operation of plus is minus. So here we have to minus it by 2b, and then do the same on the left side. So minus it with 2b. Because we want to make it balance, do the operation for two sides. Okay, remember, both sides we have to do the same operation. Okay, let's operate that, and then we will got 3b minus 2b will be 1b, and then here we have 1 plus 1 equals to 2b minus 2b will be 0, and then here we have left 7. Okay, and we can see here the variables with the numbers, so it's still variables and numbers. So we want to make it only variable on the left side, so what we have to do is minus the numbers. So here we have plus, the inverse operation is minus, so we have to minus it by 1, and then do the same on the right side, 7 minus by 1. So we will get 1b on the left side, and then on the right side there will be 7 minus 1. It will be equals to 6. So one bag is contain 6 blocks. Okay, so first we already keep it balanced because we do the same operation for the both sides. And then what we have to do next is check for the solution, checking. Okay, how to check the solution is, okay, so this is the first way, and second is substitute the numbers b equals to 6 that we got to the equations. Okay, so here we have 3b plus 1 equals to 2b plus 7. Substitute the b with 6 here. So change the b with 6, and we got 3 times 6 plus 1 will be equals to 2 times 6 plus 7. Let's check it. 3 times 6 we will got 18, and then plus 1 it will be equals to so it will be equals to 19, and then on the right side there will be 2 times 6 equals to 12 plus 7 equals to 19. So we can see here it's the same. 8, 19 equals to 19. So it means it's balanced. And if it's balanced, so the answer is right. So here, so B is equals to 6. So we solve the problems. And let's go to the next one. Okay, so we have these equations. Okay, do you still remember we have brackets here? Yup, we have to do or to expand the bracket first. Expand the brackets. Okay. So let's do the multiply. 4. Okay, let's write it down again, and then 2x minus 3 equals to 8. 4 times x will be 4x, and then 4 times negative 3 equals to negative 12. And then do the same here. Please don't forget about the sign. So we have negative 2 times x will be negative 2x, and then negative 2 times negative 3 will be plus 6 equals to 8, right? And then you have to simplify. So here, the same terms, please do the simplify. So 4x minus 2x, and then write the left numbers, minus 12 plus 6 equals to 8. Let's do the left side first. 4x minus 2x will be 2x, and then minus 12 plus 6, it will be minus 6 equals to 8. And then after this, we make it balanced. Let's keep it balanced by adding or subtracting the same number. So here, the variable is on the left side, so please keep the variables, and then we have to do the inverse operation of minus 6. It's plus 6 equals to, okay, I'm so sorry, it should be plus 6, and then do the same operation on the right side, plus by 6. So on the left side will be only 2x left. So it will be 2x equals to 8 plus 6. 8 plus 6 will be 14. Okay, good job. And then 2x is 14. What should we do? Do you remember? 2x, it will be equals to 2 times x. Okay, so the inverse operation of times is divide. Good job. So here we have to divide it by 2 for both sides, So we got x equals to 14 divided by 2. 7. Good job. So the answer is, x is equals to 7. We have to check it. Let's check it for this one. So for change or substitute the x, with 7. So 4 times 7 minus 3 minus 2 times 7 minus 3 equals to 8. Okay, so here 7 minus 3 equals to 4. So 4 times 4, and then 7 minus 3 equals to 4. Minus 2 times 4 equals to 8. Really? let's do the operation. 4 times 4 is 16. Minus 2 times 4 is minus 8. So, let's check. 16 minus 8 is 8. And then 8 is equals to 8. So, it's balanced. Good job. Okay, so that is the example for the first video, and then you have to do the exercise. Let's see what the exercise looks like. Okay, so here is the exercise A. So please solve this equation completely with the way. So how to keep it balanced. And then we have 2 questions here, and you can pause the video and then do the exercise. Okay, so after you do the exercise, you can go to the next video and to solve another kind or another type of linear equations. Okay, so see you on the second part of this video.